to my channel ABC Color Art।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे कलर नेम्स और कैपिटल लेटर A to Z तक। Sky blue color, brown color, light green color, orange color, yellow color, red color, A is for alligator, B is for balloon, C is for car, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for gorilla, G is for gorilla, H is for hen, I is for ice cream, G is for juice, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for mango, N is for nose, O is for onion, P is for pumpkin, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for watermelon, X is for Xmas tree, Y is for yacht, Z is for zoo, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z। बच्चों अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग।